Subscribe to my channel to see the latest unboxing videos to your mobile.
So here is a package from Amazon. Let's cut the tape. Secure packing done by the Amazon. Let's see what is inside it. Here is the invoice. The MRP is 3000 but actual price is 2700. Here is our product, TUSA Cordless Tyre Inflator. Let's keep it aside. Here is our product with 1 year warranty. Cordless Tyre Inflator, portable, on the go. Here is the image of the product. Other side, live the future. Here is the MRP 5000 but actual price is 2700. You can use in the baseball, bicycle, car, tire, bicycle, motorcycle, etc. The time is mentioned here below 3 minutes. It will do the same. And in the box content I will show you. Here is the instructions. Here is some features like 3 motor, etc, etc, original display, etc, auto feature, etc, etc. At the bottom, the manufacturing date. Let's cut the seal. Now let's open the lid. On the top, there is some thermocol, and here is our product. It's heavy, around 700 to 800 grams. Let's check the box content. Here is some VIP club entry. You have to join it. Some written instruction, and here is the accessory kit. Okay, so this is the box content. Let's move to the accessories box. How many accessories given here? Here is the accessories and one user manual. You can read it before using it. Okay, let's check the accessories. Here is the accessories like air hose pipe, car charger, USB-C cable. Here is a USB-C cable. You can use it for charging or you can use for power bank SL like 6000 ampere power bank inbuilt. Here is a car charger, car socket charger. Here is a air hose. It will attach in the tire inflator. Here is some nostrils like valves, etc. Here is a carrying pouch. Build quality is good. I will rate 4.5 out of 5. Okay, here is the accessories. Now let's move to our product, tire inflator, cordless tire inflator. Bit heavy. Here is a display, and here is some valves for air outlet. Here is you can attach a air hose pipe, USB-C, micro USB, etc. Here is a LED and some air vents. You can join the TUSA heavy club. In the manual, all the tire pressure written here, so read it, how to operate, etc. Let's move to the product. Let's fill the seal. The buttons, here is the SOS button like torch, SOS mode, and some extra other features. Here is a plus minus button, and here is a mode button. Press the power button for 3 seconds, it will on. Okay, now by changing the mode, it is a custom baseball, bicycle, motorcycle and car. Pipe profile is here. You can start here and stop here. By plus minus, you can adjust the pressure, like PSI. Okay, you can adjust here and turn on from this. Okay, let's attach the air hose in the nozzle. rotating clockwise. Now it's all set. Build quality is good. You'll start here or pause here. It will off after pressing for 3 seconds. Okay. Here is nostrils. I will show you various nostrils for various. This is for mattress inflector. You can use for mattress. There is a bicycle nozzle. You can use for bicycle inflector. Here is some bike or same mattress inflector. Here is a baseball or football inflector nozzle and one fuse for additional. Okay, this is a fuse. Analyticals. It has PSI bar and KPA and kg per centimeter. It has 4 units. You can check and according to your requirements. Let's attach the bicycle. I will show you the demo in the bicycle. Let's attach the bicycle nozzle in the air hose pipe. Okay, or is a fuse, or you can attach other nostrils in the air hose. Okay, as per my requirement, I will attach the bicycle nozzle or nostril. Okay, now let's check some other feature of this tire inflator. You can charge from the USB input. Okay, it will take at least 4 hours to 5 hours fully charged, because it is a 6000 milliampere battery. Okay, you can use it as a power bank itself. I will show you. It will steady when power is full. It is full now. Now I have attached a USB given in the box. Let's check the power bank itself. Standard output, but is okay in the emergency. Okay, 6000 milliampere batteries are installed. Now let's check the demo of the tire inflator in the bicycle. I will show you in the bicycle. Okay, now let's to see the demo. Air in the first tire of my bicycle. Okay, I have attached the air hose in the nozzle. It is showing 19 psi. Let's start the machine. I have started now. In between, you have to check manually the tire hardness, because for the safety. Okay, now I am pausing and checking manually the tire hardness. Little bit required. Let's pause. Resume the process. Please note that the PSI showing here, it is approximately, not the exact one. Let's check once again the tire hardness. It will auto cut off at 45 psi. Some 0.5 plus minus error will be there. Now it's all set. Okay, now you cannot turn on because it already reached in the point. Now let's check at the back. Here is showing 22.5 psi at the back. Let's start the machine. Manually you have to check, because for the safety. You can pause anytime in between. Now check the hardness of the tire. 45 it will auto cut off. Yes, now it is auto cut off. You cannot turn on itself. Okay, so thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel and like my video. Okay.